Yes, my lovers of sciences, welcome to Iken House of Sciences, where we are going to break down science, down to earth science, so that science, as I told you earlier, will become like honey, like sweet. Every person can now enjoy. Today's topic will be going round to discuss acids and bases. Acids and bases. We start by looking at the earlier idea about acid. People associate acid with anything that has sour taste, or anything that can liberate hydrogen when it undergoes chemical reaction. Okay, but in the earlier years, in the earlier days of the father of chemistry, the man by name Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier associated acid with substances containing oxygen. Substances containing oxygen. According to Antoine, this should be an acid HNO3. It's an acid because it contains oxygen. According to Antoine Lavoisier, this H2SO4 is an acid because it contains oxygen. But this could not go well with the acid like HCl. So because of this, his idea about acid becomes ancient. And we cannot go with this definition. Why? Because there are some acid that do not contain element oxygen. So that's why another person came in now, another person by name Sante Arrhenius. Sante Arrhenius gave acid definition as any substance that dissolves in water, ionizes in water, or breaks down in water to bring out hydrogen ion or proton as its only positive ion with other negative ion. See, according to the Arrhenius, this hydrogen ion can also be called the proton. 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 So, according to Arrhenius, this definition is for acid. Any substance that when it dissolves in water, it ionizes and produces proton or hydrogen ion as its only positive ion. This is how Arrhenius defined acid. So, for example, now, according to Arrhenius, the acid HNO3, when it goes into dissociation in water, it dissolves in water to form H3O plus NO3. This is acid. This is called hydroxonium ion. Hydroxonium ion. So any substance that can produce this in water, according to Arrhenius, must be called an acid. So this one here, HCl, if we put it in water, according to Arrhenius, it dissolves to produce this H and this combined to form this O is here. And then with this one remaining here, this is it. This is ionization. This is called acid ionization. This one here, H2SO4 in water, ionizes to give this and this. We have SH3O plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, according to Arrhenius, these are acid. But why the scientists could not go along with this Arrhenius definition is that this definition appears restrictive. It appears restrictive, and because it means the acid property can only be understood when it is in water, in aqueous solution, So, but this is not actually true because acid property is not inherent by any substance. The acid property is just a mode of behavior of the substances in certain conditions. So we cannot just attach it to the aqueous solution alone. So we can also find the property of acid outside aqueous environment, aqueous situations.